Hello, my name is Bethany, coming to you with MasterClass Maven, where I go through the MasterClass cooking app videos and try to learn to hone my skills, and I take you along with me on the journey. So today I have my lovely iPad. I'm going to open up the MasterClass app, and you see right here you have all these different people that you can click on. So today I'm going to do Thomas Keller because he does a lot of just like basics. I'm going to see all lessons. So that's him. Ta-da! Isn't he nice? Glazing carrots. So that's pretty. 16 minutes long. And then you have this. I'm going to make it full screen. Hold on. All right, so I'm going to go through this, and then as I go through it, then I'm going to share it with you. Okay, so he said to first cut the carrots in an oblique way. So basically you're gonna make this look like it's on I guess a bias, and then an oblique is when you're basically making little triangles. So then you're gonna go this way, and then you're gonna go this way, and then you're gonna go this way, and then you're gonna go this way. And I've actually never cut oblique before. I've cut where it all just like looks like it's on a slant, like if you get it like at a Chinese restaurant type thing. But I've never actually done oblique before, and I didn't even know that was a way to cut. And I guess I'll just do it like that. So now we're going to put our carrots in here on high heat. We're going to add our fat, which is butter. I'm gonna do about maybe like a teaspoon of butter. If I can just get it out. There you go. And then we're gonna put about a teaspoon of sugar in there. And then we're gonna put enough water in there to cover it. So now I'm going to take my little spatula and just kind of stir it around a little bit. And it's smoking. This is the first time that I've plugged in my handy dandy hot plate. So I got it just so that I could do a cooking video and it would look nicer than over my dirty stove.
Bunch of carrots, which are sweet, finely busted. They may have the glaze on them. But bunch carrots are not going to be the sweetest, and they're also going to be the most consistent in size. The act of boiling and evaporation here is getting more and more violent as we reduce water.
I'm going to do some salt, sugar, and acid. Then to finish it up, we're just going to add a little bit of parsley and a little bit of salt. So you have your salt, you have your sweet, and you have your acid. And it's all cooked through, and the natural sweetness of the carrot has come out. And if you wanted to caramelize this, you would just basically just let it go a little further until it turned brown, but that would be different than just glazing. So now just take that and put it right there on your plate. And then you have your glazed carrots. So now we have both learned how to make glazed carrots. I've never actually made them before because I don't usually like to eat carrots unless they are in a salad or I'm dipping them with something. But let me know if you enjoyed this video, if there's any other ones from the MasterClass Cooking School that you would like to hear about. And please subscribe and have a great day.